This is such a tasty recipe for smoked baby back ribs in the Traeger. I'm going to walk you through the 3-2-1 ribs recipe method along with a really easy, simple barbecue sauce that was made for this particular dish. So it starts with 2 racks of baby back pork ribs. You season them generously all over. We're just doing the seasoning directly on the baby back ribs here, but you want to also pull off some of that whitish skin you see there, the connective tissue, and that'll let you season it a little bit better. These are already pretty trimmed up. Then you pop it in the smoker at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and the baby back ribs smoke, and they're only halfway through smoking. At that, it was about 3 hours at that mark. That's the 3 in the 3-2-1 ribs recipe. So then you prepare a foil sheet with some beer that's gonna steam in there with the baby back ribs in the smoker. And you just wanna make sure that you have enough foil around so that liquid's not gonna come off of the ribs. So pat them back on the smoker with the meaty side of the pork rib meat facing down. And while they're smoking for 2 more hours, you can mix up some barbecue sauce and honey. And then for the final hour, so the 1 in the 3-2-1 method, you flip them back over in the smoker and you're gonna smoke the baby back ribs in these foils on the bottom, but you're not gonna wrap the top of the packet because you want the top of the baby back ribs to dry out a bit. So on goes that barbecue honey sauce. And this is the final hour. Look how beautiful these baby back ribs are. Oh my goodness, this recipe is so good. Make sure to check out one of my other recipes that people love. Like I have a delicious smoked mac and cheese. I have a smoked queso coming very soon, maybe by the time you're seeing this. And my smoked corn on the cob recipe is easy and delicious. Till next time, have a wonderful and tasty day. Cheers!